Argonaut Manufacturing Services. Your choice in IVD Contract Manufacturing. IVD Contract Manufacturing is complex. Partnering with the right manufacturer can be the key to success. Argonaut offers full-service contract manufacturing for point-of-care technologies, IVD, and RUO products. Our services include formulation, kitting, packing and sterilization, and storage. We can also provide your team with specialized filling for cartridges, tubes, and chips. Argonaut is a world-class leader in lyophilization technology, featuring cake, powder, and beads. We also have the world's smallest lyophilized format, called LyoDots. Our wide range of quality control testing services ensure your product is high quality. An Argonaut advantage is that as your needs change, we provide you scale. This gives your team excellent flexibility to focus on your core strengths while we handle end-to-end supply chain management and manufacturing. This gives you speed to market without sacrificing quality or requiring you to invest in capital equipment. With dozens of customizations available, your team can leverage our robust supply chain, ensuring your product's reliability. Customizations include pick, pack, and ship, drop shipment, a variety of temperature formats, large pallet or drum shipments, temperature monitoring, and global distribution. Argonaut mitigates risk to help keep you in continuous supply. We operate at the highest regulatory standards, helping your product meet stringent compliance requirements. You can take advantage of our strong expertise in regulatory and compliance. Argonaut is ISO certified, FDB licensed, FDA registered, and is FDA inspected. Speed, scale, and security. Argonaut is the trusted choice for IVD contract manufacturing. We have state-of-the-art facilities, over 100,000 square feet of operations, ISO 8 clean rooms, and can also provide you with warehousing and logistics solutions. Our tailored services are designed to meet your strategic needs. So you get flexibility and scale that accelerates your speed to market, agile manufacturing that is responsive to increases or decreases in demand, and innovations that can reduce cost or provide novel solutions. Explore how Argonaut IVD Contract Manufacturing can elevate your experience. Visit argonautms.com to learn more.